Okay, so what we are doing, we are finding range of sin square theta plus cos square theta upon, yes. So I'm going to write that question somewhere. So that is sin square theta plus cos square theta upon, so this will become 1 upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. Tell me what you want to change. Sin square you want to change or cos square you want to change? Sin square. I will change sin square. You are saying cos square, no? So you do by yourself. I will change sin square. So this sin square theta I will write 1 minus cos square theta. And one more minus cos square theta will come. What it will become? 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Now I will take cos square theta. Cos square theta less than equals to 1, greater than equals to 0. Yes or no? I will multiply 2. Slowly, I will expand its area. I will multiply 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 cos square theta less than equals to 2. Now I will multiply minus sign. Then it will become minus 2 cos square theta. So when we multiply minus sign, you remember na? Maxima comes towards minima side, minima goes towards maxima side. So that will become minus 2 less than equals to minus 2 cos square theta less than equals to 0. After that I will add 1. When I will add 1, this will become minus 1 less than equals to 1 minus 2 cos square theta less than equals to 1. Now tell me what we have to do. Reciprocal I have to take. So can I, now when I will take reciprocal, direct that is going to be our answer. Yes or no? So directly I am going to write answer. After that no further steps will come. Yes na? Yes bache? You understood? After that no further steps will come. So simple what I will do, you know, if I have to take reciprocal, so tell me whether it is positive to positive, negative to positive or negative to negative. Everyone say negative to positive. So do you remember how to take reciprocal of negative to positive? First we write minus infinity. Yes or no? Comma. Then we take reciprocal of minus 1. Minus 1. Close bracket. Then we take reciprocal of 1. What is reciprocal of 1? 1 equals to sign is there, we'll put close bracket and that side plus infinity. The union. That is the simple answer. So whatever is there, you will revise that, because today 10 question from physics, total objective type, no calculation part, unit of this, like that part. 5 question chemistry, 5 question maths, 20 question last 1 hour. Then we are giving 30 question NEET. You all 20 question. Okay. Yes. And you have to make a file of all those question papers. Whatever question paper we are going to give you, you have to make it a file and you have to keep it there. Okay. Every second day, that type of test will happen. Okay. So today is Thursday. What is the next second day? Saturday. Okay. So I think you understood. And if you all will not be performing well, we'll be calling your parents. This facility not provided to class 12th. Okay na? But you all are going to be our first and the main batch for whom will be taking class 11th also and class 12th also. Okay, na? So that all thing will be applied here. Calling your parents, keeping track what you are doing at home, how much you are using social media, everything we are going to track from your parent side. Okay. And whatever problem you face, bacha, whatever problem you face, you contact your faculty in that respective subject and never take anything as a burden. Always be happy when you are going to study at home. Feel very happy. Wow, I am studying at least. Yes, na? Yes. And keep those all pressure in your head. Arey sir, I am not going out. I am not playing. After giving JEE exam, you go and play for 5 days. To be outside 5 days. Don't come to home. Okay, go to some jungle. Be there. Okay, go somewhere. No, don't come 10 days, 15 days, 1 month. Take your all frustration after clearing exam. Yes, na? So first store that frustration. I am not going out. Achieve something. Then take that all frustration. Yes, na? Chalo. No, we don't have to go anywhere. Here, domain and range of quadratic expression. Fan. Acha, fan you want. Proper AC we are providing you and you are... Okay, write down. These all things you have written, na? Last class. These all things you have written, na? Now we are going to learn about domain and range. Visible hai na, bachche? Now visible? Now visible, na? So we are going to learn domain and range of quadratic expression. Domain and range. Okay. So see, if we have any quadratic, f of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So domain means input, yes or no? Domain means input. In polynomial, domain is always minus infinity to infinity. Any polynomial, linear, quadratic, cubic, you have to remember this point. Domain of polynomial is minus infinity to infinity. That also we say real number. So domain will be minus infinity to infinity, first thing. Domain is R, or also we can say minus infinity to plus infinity. Range. Okay. So if you are going to find a range of quadratic, this is very important topic, range of quadratic. This range of quadratic is important everywhere throughout the 30 chapter. Out of 30 chapter, at least 20 chapter, this range of quadratic is important. You have to understood this topic well. Yes, na? Whole calculus, quadratic will come. Yes, na? So now, suppose this is everyone know the meaning of range, na? Range meaning you know, na? What is meaning of range? What will say? Output. See, some expression are there. That expression is representing number. Yes or no? That expression is representing number. Okay? But that number we cannot see until we give input. So when we give input, like sine theta is expression. Yes, na Dhruva? In sine theta, if I give input 30 degree, what it will become? Sine 30. And what is value of sine 30? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is part of range. And input which you give 30 degree, that is part of domain. So sine theta, if you see, this sine theta is representing lot of number single hand. But if I talk about simply 5 is representing only one number, 5. But when I say sine theta is representing lot of number. How you will know that number? When you will give some angle theta. If you will give 30 degree, it will represent 1 by 2, which is 0.5. If you will give 45 degree, it will represent 1 by root 2. If you will give 0 degree, it will represent 0. If you will give 60 degree, it will represent root 3 by 2. So we can see sine theta is representing lot of number, not single number. So sine theta is representing lot of number. All those lot of number, whatever it can form, sine theta, collectively, all those number will say that is range of sine theta. Okay, na? Yes, na? Yes. So if you are asking, suppose I give you any quadratic x square plus x plus 1, and I ask you, tell me what are the number this expression will give it output, or in other words, what is the range of this expression? Okay, so whenever we are going to talk about this, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to check a x square coefficient. A is what we have to check, whether that number is positive or negative. So there can be two possibilities. A is positive, A is negative. So when A is positive, range of that quadratic will be minus d by 4a to infinity. And when A will be negative, range will be minus infinity to minus d by 4a. That's all. Here it is open bracket, here it is close bracket. Means from here to here, it can give all the number between from here to here. And it will give all the number between from here to. Very simple. Take it very lightly. Okay, yes. Acha. Okay, quadratic range I have to find. So quadratic range I have to find. What I will do? I will check sine of this A. Acha. Okay, sine of A I have to see. What I will see, whether it is positive or negative. If it is positive, I will apply this. If it is negative, I will apply this formula. That's all. And what this formula says? From here to here, it can give all the number between from this to this. Okay, so write down one question. Question will be find range of. First write down this. Sudarshan. How are you, Sudarshan? Fine. Nitin. Purvaj. Now I remembered only 3 names this side. Dhruva, I will never forget your name. Okay, na? Avais name is clear. Chaturbhuj name is clear. Jayant name is clear. Samir name is clear. Sheikh name is clear. Your also name is some Nitin or what? Nitin, na? Your name is also clear to me. Dusyant name is clear. Gokul name is clear. Something, your name I'm forgetting. Manoj. Okay. Chalo, half is clear. Rest I will remember. Find a range of, write down question. Find a range of x square plus x plus 1. Find range of x square plus x plus 1. Okay. What is question? Find range of. So that is quadratic expression or not? So first of all, what we'll check? A. What is A? 1. What is B? 1. What is C? And you know na, in range of quadratic we require value of D. And what is D? B square minus 4AC, 1 square minus 4, 1 minus 4 minus 3. Now its range will be, A is positive now, minus D by 4A to infinity. Okay. So I will write minus D. What is D? Minus 3 by 4A. A is 1. 4 into 4. 4 into 1. 4 to infinity. And what this will give? No, plus 3 by 4 to infinity. Understood, bache? Yes, na? Now everyone, you just take one number x as an input and put at place of x and let me know whether you are getting number between 3 by 4 to infinity or not. Tell me any one number, positive, negative, anything. Yes, you say 5. Put it here, 5 square. 25 plus 5. 30 plus 1. So if you'll give input 5, it will give 31. Tell me, 31 lying between 3 by 4 to infinity or not? 3 by 4 means 0.75 to infinity. 31 is lying or not? You tell me one number. Minus 3. Try to prove me wrong. Okay, na? Then this will start. Minus 3 square. 9 plus 1. And x is minus 3. 10 minus 3. Tell me 7 lies between this or not? Any other number? 18. 18 is okay. 18 square plus 18 plus 1, that will be very big number. 0.75 to infinity, that will lie. Minus 1. Minus 1 square. 1 and this is minus 1. 1 minus 1. 0 plus 1. 1. Tell me 1 lies between 0.75 to infinity or not? Whatever input you will give there, whatever output it will give, that will lie between this number only. That's all. Understood? Can we move to next topic? Can we move to next topic? Yes, na? Now you write down graph of quadratic. Means a graph of quadratic. Only I will tell you few things about graph of quadratic. Okay, na? So that you can remember one or two thing about graph of quadratic. Okay. And after that, next time, in quadratic equation chapter, we'll give you the full details of quadratic graph. Okay, na? Okay. So now first, next topic is graph of quadratic. Write down. So whenever we draw graph, we use y to write that expression. I will not write ax square plus bx plus c. That is expression. Because we draw graph of x-axis and y-axis, so we'll write y is equals to that x square plus bx plus c. So now you understood? Here I am going to write y is equals to x square plus bx plus c. Why I am writing that? Because here I am going to talk about the graph. Okay, Gokul? Gokul is here, yes or no? Gokul is here, na? Huh? He is not lost somewhere? No, na? Yes. See, lot of 1 lakh, not 1 lakh, 12 lakh students are preparing for JEE. The way you are sitting in class, same way. 12 lakh students are sitting now in the class, in their classes. The one who will not lost in his own world will get that seat. Okay na? Just compare. Yes, yeah, 12 lakh students are sitting. If I need to go to IIT or NIT, then I will have to be like no one is in other class. What is the problem for all 12 lakh students? They are sitting in class, they are thinking, "Arey yaar, evening I have to play cricket. Yesterday one of my friend bowled me. Today I will do him bowled." That type, na? "Arey yesterday someone told me like this. She's not talking to me. He's not talking to me." This also no. No use, no use, no use, no use. Okay na? Yes na? This if you love this thing will always love you. Okay na? This will give you idea how to see the world. These all things. And this will make you a smarter. Okay. So you have to be different from all those 12 lakh students while sitting in the class. Yes, sir. What others are doing, I am not doing like that. Yes, na, after telling this much also 2-3 student goes outside the class. Means physically present here, mentally outside. But no faculty is telling this much thing. All are busy in, yes, I will complete my syllabus, I will go, I will complete my syllabus, I will go. But we are here actually checking you all. Yes, no. You all are our kids. Okay? So see here. Don't feel that till 4:30 you have to say, all those are rubbish thing. Yesterday, till 11:30, I was making your question paper. 11:30, 11:36, I called your physics faculty and said, sir, question paper done. We were typing your question paper, 30 question typing. No, so work is important. Work is something which will take you at any height. Yes, na? So graph of quadratic. So I am writing y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Now here, when a will be greater than 0, first of all you remember here, this represents parabola. This graph is parabolic graph. Like now here you have to see. Yesterday I told you when two variable both degree is 1, that graph will represent a straight line. Now the question is, sir, how will know whether this equation will represent parabola or not? Can you make any sense what is unique in this equation in degree? With help of degree we check every time what will be the curve, na? We check with help of degree. Your brother is very good in while sitting in class. Always remember. Very, very good. Okay, I don't know what he is doing at home, but in class his representation is superb. Okay, na? So your representation should also be like that. Okay, na? He sit at here, his first bench in that class, and he will never talk to anyone. He will never lost in his own world. Okay. So now parabola. See, you know in any equation, if you are talking about graph, two variable will be there. One for x-axis, one for y-axis. So here in this equation, one variable is x, one variable is y. Yes or no? Then see this. When one variable degree is 1, other variable degree is 2, that will represent parabola. That will represent parabola. Yes, na? So in physics, I say force is, let's say, it's not correct. Okay, na? Is there anything which is directly proportional to a square? Huh? I square is there somewhere? I square? R? Huh? क्या? H. H. Heat. heat is equals to I square R. R is resistance there. Yes or no? It means heat is directly proportional to R square. I square, sorry, I square. Heat is directly proportional to I square. It means heat and I will work like variable in this equation. Yes or no? It means if we draw graph of heat with respect to I, that will be parabolic path. So they can ask you, heat is directly proportional to I square. The path of curve will be 4 options: straight line, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, parabola curve. Done. Okay. So now, when a is greater than 0, first of all, you have to remember quadratic. If I ask you what is path of quadratic, you'll say parabolic path, sir. Now I am going to tell you, when a will be positive, your parabola will be opening upward. It will open upward. This is like parabola. Okay, na? And our space researchers use this parabolic path in very smarter way. Yes, na? There is use of this path. And that I will tell you in when we will study parabola, ellipse, hyperbola chapter in coordinate geometry. Now I don't want to reveal what is use of this path. Okay, na? There should be something for that chapter also. And when a will be less than 0, that graph will come down. So this is what you have to remember. Very simple thing you have to remember. You don't have to go for lot of thing about graph of quadratic. Very simple thing. Acha sir. Sir first said that quadratic expression, when we write graph of quadratic expression, is which path quadratic follow? Parabolic path it follow. And for any quadratic, there are two types of graph. Okay. How to check both graph? By checking sign of A. When A is positive, parabola will be opening upward. Parabola, this is the opening phase. Parabola is opening upward. And when A is negative, parabola is opening downward. Is it clear? No problem? Write it down. And one thing I will ask you. Okay, when you will say I will get satisfied, then one more extra information I will give you, and after that I will end this topic. I will move to next topic. One more extra. First of all, you tell me, everyone, you know this or not? These all small things, what it is known as? Small things. Point. Yes, na? When we connect point, it forms path. Yes or no? Like see this. I am standing here. Where I am standing, that is one point. I'll go to next step. One more point. I'll go to next step. One more point. One more point. And when you will join all the point, that will become path of me. Yes or no? Yes, na? So it means on this path, how this path is made? By joining infinite points. By joining infinite points. Now just think about a point in your coordinate geometry. Each point, if I take this point will have some x coordinate and y coordinate, yes or no? This point will also have some x coordinate and y coordinate. This point will also have some x coordinate and y coordinate. This point will also have some x coordinate and y coordinate. All point will have some x coordinate and y coordinate. Yes or no? Here also all point will have some x coordinate and y coordinate. So if you see, this point is important point here. This point, lowest point, and here uppermost point. So that point x coordinate and y coordinate I am going to tell you. That point x coordinate and y coordinate I am going to tell you. You have to remember this. Can I say? You want to write? Huh? It's very easy. First thing, both point are same. Whatever I will write here, same thing is for here. Formula for both is same. But value it will generate different when I will give you quadratic. So both point x coordinate will be minus b by 2a and y coordinate will be minus d by 4a. Write it down. You have to simply learn all these things at home. That's all. You are not going to think extra. Array, this I cannot understand. This if you cannot understand, you ask us and learn all these things. Because all these small things will be used in solving the question. Okay, na Chaturbhus? Yes, na? He is very unique in our Sahyadri till now. Do you know what is unique in him? He has kept his own name. Yes, na? He has kept his own name. He has given himself one name. And he is going to be your batch student. Yes, na? After 2 years, one more name he is going to give to himself. One name Chaturbhus. Yes, na? And down IIT Delhi. All India advanced rank under 1000. Yes, na? So see this. One more name he will give. Okay? Chaliye. Not only him, because I am talking about him, that's why I am telling about him. When I will talk about you all, I will tell about you all also. Okay? Okay, now changing quadratic into perfect square. See this. When I will tell you this, na, after that, one more range type of question you will learn from here. So here concept is ax square plus bx plus c this is quadratic expression. Yes, na? Now just think about one thing. Just forget that formula finding range of quadratic. Forget that formula. If I ask you simple one question, find range of x square plus x plus 1. And I'm asking you, find range of this expression with help of that rule of inequality. It was there, na? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring and reciprocal. It was there or not? I'm telling you, apply that method in this expression for finding its range. Don't apply formula. Okay? So, how you will start thinking? First of all, what you will ask? How many x term are present in expression? Then only you can think whether we can apply that method or not. Yes or no? Are bolo? Yes or no? So tell me, how many x terms are present in this expression? 2. Tell me, what are those? X square x. Now what you said x square x, tell me both are same or different? X square x, how it will be same? When I'm saying see the words x square and x, both are same or different? Different or not? Different, na? Yes or no? Array x square and x same or different? Array x square will be same, na? X will be same, na? Yes or no? Pushpak and Pushpak square, both are same? No? 2 and 2 square, tell me. Both are same? No? Both are not same, na? It means we cannot apply that technique here. Why? Because two different x term are present in our expression. If I can combine both x and I can change it into something where only one x is written, then we can apply that technique or not. So I am going to explain you how to combine these two x and change it into expression of single x. Okay? Okay na? Okay, very good. So see this. And that is here a I will take outside. This will be x plus b by 2a whole square minus d by 4a square. Both are same. Both are same. I will give you proof of this. Okay na? But what you have to do? You have to remember this expression as this expression. Okay na? So both are same. So if I am asking you any question related with this, suppose you cannot solve from this, then think, can I solve that question from here? Because both are same. So whatever answer you will get there, same answer you will get here. And what is difference between both? Just check the difference. Here two x terms are present. Here only one x term is present throughout. It means if I give any range type question, I am asking find range of this. Instead of finding range from there, you can find range from here because single x term is there, and that same work you have to apply. X you will write lies between this to this. Then you will add plus b by 2a. Then you will do a square. A squaring concept, you remember or not? Negative to negative, negative to positive, positive to positive. A squaring concept. Then you will add this. Then you will multiply a. Done. From this small, you will increase, 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 and increase. Yes, na? So this is directly used for finding range of any quadratic function. Okay, so first change it into this and write one point. What is the topic? Topic is changing quadratic expression in perfect square form. Changing quadratic into perfect square form. And write down this part. I will explain you from where we got. Proof I will give you in last. First I will tell you what is use of that. Okay, Aves. Huh? You are studying at home or not? Or after going to home, you are going to your shop? No, na? No, na, no, na, no, na? Huh? No shop. Okay. Tell me your name. Huh? Talha. Yes, yes, yes. I forgot your name. How are you? Hello. How are you? Fine. How are you? Fine, bache. Our last, that corner student. How are you? This is your second class, na? Which class number? Third? Or you are coming from a starting? Okay, you joined in between, na? Sudarshan, how are you, Sudarshan? Sudarshan is fine? Puneet, how are you? Fine, na? Okay. Now say this. Here you will write one point. You will write This formula is used for finding range of, this formula will be used for finding range of quadratic like function. For finding range of quadratic like function. After that, write down one question. This is visible to everyone. Is this visible to everyone? Visible, na? Now write down one question. Question is find range of find range of दे दो दे दो दे दो दे दो दे दो हाँ? Let's generate thinking on this. First of all, we will see the problem, what is problem inside it. Then we will discuss the solution. Then we will bring our theory to remove the problem. So first, we have to find a range here. Yes or no? It means if I am asking you to find range, see this is our class and this was our previous class. I am asking you to find range of something. So must be this topic should have completed. That's why I am giving you question. Na? So first of all, you make your mentality, yes, topic is completed. Don't see, sir, this you didn't taught me. No, that's not the way. Correct way is, sir gave me this question, it means topic is completed. Now, let's remember all those previous things. Okay, na? And let's check what we can do here. So first of all, range type of question I have only taught you for one expression. Yes or no? If only one variable is there in system, we can go for rule of inequality. Yes or no? This is what we have learned for range till now. Only one type of range you have learned. Purvaj, Sudarshan. Only one type of range we have learned. What is that type? In the whole expression, if single variable is present, we can find its range by taking a smaller, then increasing its area and then covering the whole area where it will lie. This is the basic thinking. First start thinking from here. Don't see how to solve the question. That is very wrong way. Yes, sir has given me some question. It means sir has taught me. That's why sir is giving me. Now we start thinking. Acha, question is on range. Very good. Now we start thinking. How many range type of questions sir has taught me? Array, sir has taught me only one type of range question. What is that? In the whole expression, single variable is present, then we can use rule of inequality to find the range. This is the way of processing. This process should go inside brain. Then you will get correct answer. Then you will see this expression. Tell me how many terms of x are present there. To what are those? Sin square x, sin x. Tell me sin square x, sin x. Both are same? Different. It means this is the only problem in this expression. Sin square and sin. If sin square is not there, you can find the range, yes or no? Sin x lies between -1 to 1. Add 1. Done, sir. 0 to 2. Sin x is not there. Then also we can find. What is the range of sin square x? 0 to 1. What will be the range of sin square x plus 1? 1 to 2, simple. Direct add 1. Correct or no? Sin a square x lies between 0 to 1. 0 this side, 1 this side. Now I want to generate sin a square x plus 1. What I will do? Add 1. So that side 0 is there. 0 plus 1, 1. This side 1 is there. 1 plus 1, 2. Got range or not? Now both is coming together. Now this is some problem here or not? It means, sir, now you should think, acha. 1 is sin x, 1 is sin square x. We can apply that technique only when both sin x and sin square x can mix and it forms only one sin x. Yes or no? Now our this formula will come because this formula is doing same thing. One number x is there. X is a number and that number a square is there, and again x is simple, that number is present. So one number, see x as a number, don't see x as any other thing. This x is a number, you know na, x is domain, domain is input, input is a number. So this is a number and this is also a number. So there is a square of that number and that is simple that number. Same thing you can see here. Tell me, sin x is a number or not? Sin 30 is number or not? Sin 45 is number or not? So when you will see x like number, then you will feel, acha yaar, this I have to do. If you say, sir, here is x inside sin, don't see like that. This sin x is the whole thing as a single entity. You don't see x inside it. See, this sin x is some number. Like here x is some number, x is square is some number, sin x is number, sin square is number. So this is not quadratic function. This is quadratic like function. It is looking like quadratic, but it is not quadratic. Quadratic, it will say only when x is present. But at place of x, if I put any other random things, at place of x I put anything. Sin x only. That will become sin square x plus sin x plus 1. That will become quadratic like function. So can you getting difference between both? Huh? Yes, design is same. Outer design is same. From outside it is looking same, but from inside, in one x is written, in one at place of x, sin x is written. Simple. Okay. And this type of question we have already done now. X square plus x plus 1. Tell me, x square plus x plus 1 and sin square x plus sin x plus 1. Both are looking same type or not? Same type. What is A here? What is B here? What is C here? Now you will consider sin square x quadratic. What is A here? What is B here? What is C here? Yes, na? So what I will do? I will change this sin square x plus 1 in this form. So tell me, at place of x, what is written here? Sin x. Very good. It means in this formula at place of x, what will go? Sin x will go, and rest ABCD you know from this, na? So directly put ABCD and find what we'll get. So how many of you understood? How many you can change this expression in this formula? Raise your hand. Very good. Very good. I will clap. You don't have to clap. Change that. Use the formula. Write down. Don't see my things from the board. You have to use this formula. What is A? Here. What is A here? First write A. Then write B. Then write C. Now find D. B square minus 4AC. So 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. Write down minus 3. Here write equals to sign. Now tell me from where you got this one. Very good. Sin x. Very good. This one. B. Very good. 2. Very good. Plus. Not plus. There is minus. Ruko, wait. Minus. What is D? Minus 3. So minus 3. Plus 3. What is A? 1 square. 4 into 1. So 4 came. Yes or no? So now here sin x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. This whole square is there, na? Plus 3 by 4. Yes, na? Now you start from sin x less than equals to 1 greater than minus 1. Then add 1 by 2. Then take a square. You know how to take a square, bacha, na? Positive to positive is there. Direct V star. Negative to positive is there. This side we put 0. You can take, while finding range, na? You can take help of your previous concepts. Just you tell me here, how many of you got this? Everyone got this? Last bench? You got this? You got this, bacha? Yes, na? Now say this. This is one number. This bigger bracket, can you see bigger bracket? This is one number, yes or no? And 1 into this number, the same number will come or not? 1 into 5, 5 is or not? 1 into 10, 10 is or not? So 1 into anything, that thing will come or not? So this will become this thing. Now we have to find the range of this. How we'll find? We'll start from sin x, minus 1 to 1. Then you will add 1 by 2. Then you will take a square. Then you will add 3 by 4. 4 step, you will get range of that. Everyone, start doing, and I am coming to your copy to check what you are doing. You can tell me. You can ask me your doubts. Okay. So 1 minute time it will take. Sin x lies between. Tell me. Sin x lies between. So I will start from sin x. Now I will cover sin x plus 1 by 2. I will add 1 by 2. What this will become? Minus 1 by 2 less than equals to sin x plus 1 by 2 less than equals to 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Now we have to cover a squaring. A squaring is between negative number to positive number. Negative number to positive number. Okay, and how we do a squaring in negative number to positive number? How we do a squaring in negative number to positive number? First, we write a square like that. Sin x plus 1 by 2 a square we like as it is. This side always we write greater than equals to 0. Greater than equals to 0. Not greater than 0 also. Greater than equals to 0. After that, a square minus 1 by 2. What is a square of minus 1 by 2? 1 by 4. What is a square of 3 by 2? Let's say 9 by 4. 1 by 4 and 9 by 4. Which is greater? 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 will come this side. Now tell me, 9 by 4 you got from minus 1 by 2 or 3 by 2? 3 by 2. And what is sign of 3 by 2? Less than equals to. That sign will come here. So you covered this. Now I am going to cover this all. 3 by 4. There plus 3 by 4 is there. I will add 3 by 4. 0 plus 3 by 4. This will become sin x plus 1 by 2 a square plus 3 by 4 less than equals to 9 by 4 plus 3 by 4. It will become 3. So we got range 3 by 4 to 3 and equals to is there. So close bracket 3 by 4 to 3 answer. Very simple. Okay. Okay. So thank you.